my own art. Perfect. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and happy new year, happy 2025. Woohoo! This year is gonna be our year. Say it, this year gonna be my year. Anyways, today I'm be turning my new apartment into my own personal gallery. I know you can see the art peeking on the sides here. I know my big head in the way, but yeah. So I love my room so much. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I actually moved in August, but like I was in school during the time, so I didn't really have time to dedicate my time that much to YouTube and editing and all that stuff. But I graduated. I got my bachelor's last year, Bachelor of Fine Arts. My major was communication of art at VCU in Richmond, Virginia. So yeah, I'm actually planning on getting my master's also, but yeah, enough about that. Yeah, let's get right into the video of me decorating my room. It's the desk that I ordered. It's gonna be my art desk. It's pink. I think I will take all these down and just redo the ones that I don't like, that don't match with the rest. I think that'll be a fun project for room decor, and plus I don't have to buy anything. Okay. It's hot already. Yeah, these right here are the most heaviest boxes. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. You see these muscles right here? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I got this. Oh. No, I don't got this. I did it. All by myself. That's my workout for today. I think tomorrow when I move in, I think I deserve a day off. I'm so tired. I don't know if you can see by my face, but I've been up since 6 a.m. I don't know what time is it now. I'll put it on the screen. But man, I'm gonna show you what we accomplished. I like my new desk. It came with the stool. The stool's not that comfortable, so maybe I can find like a little seat cushion or something, or worst case scenario, I can just move this chair, you know, back and forth whenever I'm, you know, working. I just got back from Five Below and Dollar Tree. I got some, they have some nice cute stuff at not Dollar Tree. Where did I just go? This is all the stuff I got from Five Below. Hello. It's been a few days, so I gotta update you guys. This is what it's looking like over here. That's just gonna stay here for now. And then I have some acrylics in here. And then I have my color pencils, and then my diamond painting, and then a little, how would you call that, canvas thing to protect my area. And then I have big acrylic paints, then the marker thing. And then here I have more paints, basically all the messy art supplies. And then in here I have basically like all like the pencil stuff, like charcoal, pastels, basically like all like the dry messy mediums. I still have space for more stuff too. And then in here I just have some product. I don't really know what supplies I could put in here. And then I moved this over here. I don't know if I might keep it here or not. I kind of like it the way it is. I bought this from Target last weekend. I had to hot glue this back because it broke on the way here. I put the Jazzy Jada draws and this that I made from Dollar Tree over here. one of my family members gave me more clothes. So I was like, at first I was gonna leave it in the trunk. I was like, nah, so I'm already organizing my closet. I can organize these too, but I would have to try them on. Little cricket, so I'm gonna take this lever and just see. It's like kind of in the center. I mean, it's in the black line. Yeah, so I'm thinking about putting this like right here or something. They are hard to push in. Basically, I want this entire wall, maybe like stopping like right here, maybe, to like just be like pieces that I bought or my own art, like I'm about to do with these and these once I get framed. Okay, so this is the overview of my room. It's been a few months since the last time, but yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick turn. Of my room. This is supposed to focus quick. I don't know what's going on. On my art desk, I have this drawing. I don't know if you can see because the lighting in here is kind of weird, but yeah, I have this one on my desk. This is another piece I did in art school from, I believe, 2 semesters ago. I also have this one. This is my personal work. I have a video on this if you want to see that as well. It's on my YouTube shorts, but I'll link it down below. And then I believe I have another one in the closet. Yeah, I have a video on how I made these. Sorry, I don't know why it's so bright. I'm still adjusting to my new camera. See them. Yeah, I made a video on that. I believe I posted that yesterday, or it'll be the video coming on Friday. So yeah, I painted those. And then I have this artwork. I have a video on this too, I believe. It's a YouTube short. I'll link everything down below. I finished my vision board. Ooh, it's so big. Yeah, so I finished this. Now I'm gonna hang this on the wall. I got my screw. I got my drill. Let's do this. I'm gonna see how, because this is a very cheap frame. Like, it's not even, it's like plastic. It's not even glass. I don't know what I'm doing. Now we talking. See, it wasn't that hard. I got this. This is the hardest part. Oh, it wasn't that hard. This is the worst frame I've ever bought. There you go. Wow. Make sure it's leveled. Where's my leveler? Perfect. Overview of my vision board. I want to read more books. I want to save more money. I want to read the Bible more. I want to pray more. Be healthier, eat healthier. I want to become a writer one day, future author. I need to learn how to take a break here and not here because of my health issues. I always take a break here, so this is a great reminder. I put it's okay not to be okay. I want to be a business owner. I put me there because I used to sell things. This is my first time selling stuff at this art event, so I want to do more of that. I want to start painting more. I want to, it's actually the camera I got. I want to start posting more on YouTube, create that content. And yeah, 2025 is to become the year I become my best self. I want clear skin. I want to spend less screen time. I don't know if that is gonna happen in an hour, but less screen time is the goal. I just found this. I got from like a Dollar Tree. Like had like little quotes and stuff. So yeah. So yeah. And this month I want to stay single because I went through my first breakup last year and that was tough. So yeah, this is how my wall looks now. That's now everything is up here. I feel like it's like complete. So yeah, love it. Can't wait to stare at this every day. Yeah, so I really like my gallery and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me just decorate my room. So if you liked it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up so I know, and if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down so I know not to ever post this kind of video ever again in life. So yeah, and subscribe if you want to see more art videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and Jazzy Jada is out. Bye.